Hello students. Now let's start poem number 4, Chivi. Chivi, it means a nag or to keep on urging one to do something in an unknowing way. So if the parents are always crying on child, do that or do not do that. So this type of unnecessary cry on child, it is called chivi. Parents and our elders who are always crying or always instructing child, do this, don't do this. So this type of unnecessary instructions which are given by the parents or the elders or the teachers, it is called chivi. So let's see. And in this poem, all the basic instructions which are given by our elders or our parents or our teachers, they are given here. Let's see which are the instructions given by our elders. It is the basic instructions. Let's see and read the poem. Chivi. Grown up says things like, speak up, don't talk with your mouth full, don't stare, don't point, don't pick your nose. So these are the instructions when our elder says that don't speak up. Bolo kaik. Don't talk with your mouth full. Don't talk too much. Don't look constantly. Means don't stare. Don't get point. Don't pick your nose. So these are the instructions. Children, do you understand? At your home also you many time heard these types of instructions. Let's see the next paragraph. Sit up. Say please. Less noise. Shut the door behind you. Don't drag your feet. Haven't you got a hanky? Take your hands out of your pocket. So, basic instructions. And the children's having heard these all types of instructions, they are here, they become bored and they irritate by hearing all these types of instruction in whole days again and again. So parents and elders give instructions again and again, the same instructions. All the instructions are same, but all the time they are nagging, they are crying on child, they instructing the child in each and every matter. So like sit up, say please, please bolo. Less noise, please do not noise. Shut the door behind you. So these types of basic instructions are given by our elders. Don't drag your feet, don't pull your feet. Haven't you got a hanky? So hanky means handkerchief. So have your handkerchief always with you. Take your hands out of your pocket. So don't take your hand in your pocket. These are the basic instructions, but hearing these types of instruction again and again, the childs become irritated. Then see on next page here. Pull your socks up. Stand up straight. Say thank you. Don't interrupt. No one thinks you are funny. Take your elbow off the table. Can't you make your own mind up about anything? So this all the instructions which we heard many times. Pull your socks up. Socks ne upar thi pehro. Stand up straight. Then say thank you. Always be habit of saying thank you. Don't interrupt. No one thinks you are funny. Take your elbow off the table. Can't you make up your own mind? So make up your own mind means take a decision about anything. So this poem is written by Mitchell Rosen. So the poet says that each and every time childs are got instructed, They are all the parents, all the teachers, and all the elders are crying or nagging always on the child. In each and every matter, the child are instructed, do this, do not do this. Okay, so he is have habit, and they are dependent on the others. They did not know what to do, what not to do. They are just instructed by the parents or the elders. Okay, so they can't able to take their own decision. So at one side, the parents and the elders are instructing children each and every time. They guide children, do this, do not do this. So they guide children each and every matter. Whereas on the other side, they expected on child that they have take their own decision. So is that right or is that fair? If the elders expected on child that they have take their own decision, then they have to child let them do. Let the child do whatever they do, whatever they want to do. Okay, so let them do, let them teach lessons by their own self. Okay, don't instruct it. In some matters they want some instructions in some matter, but not in each and every matter, not each and every time they needed instruction. Okay, so child wants to grown up, and if you are instructed each and every time, they did not grown up. They did not understand by their own that what is right and what is wrong. આપણે એને ઓલવેઝ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરીએ કે આ કરવાનું હોય, આવું નહીં કરવાનું હોય, then how can they understand that what is wrong and what is right? તો જાતે કેવી રીતના સમજશે કે શું પોતાના માટે સારું છે અને પોતાના માટે શું ખરાબ છે? So they never understand what to do and what not to do. So if we are expected from them that make that decision or take that decisions by themselves, then we have to let them do. Okay, and not nagging and not instructing child always. We are instructing or we are expected from that as if they are old people. ઘરડા હોય એવી એમના ઉપર expectations રાખવામાં આવે. But they were not old. They were just a child. So do them childish behavior. Okay, એમનો childish behavior કરવા દો એમને. They were child at all. Okay, so these are the beautiful poem about the all instructions which are given by the parents and how the child got irritated by these types of instructions, and they can never grow up by each and every time they are instructed. Okay, then they were in future they will become like a pet બની જશે. So if you say do that, the child do, and if you say don't do that, the child did not do. Okay, but he cannot grown up his own decision power. He cannot take decision at own. Okay, so let them do whatever they wants to do. Okay, and not instruct them each and every time. So that is the lesson of this poem, and it is the eye opener of the behavior of the elders, which are totally unreasonable behavior towards the child. Okay, so don't do these types of unreasonable behavior towards the child. Okay, so open your eyes and don't do these types of behavior, that is chivi. Don't nag on child always, each and every matter. Okay, that's all about the small poem Chivi told. Okay, so I hope all of you understand, and every child know and enjoy the poem. Okay, it is all about child, about you. So I hope you enjoy the poem, read the poem again and enjoy it. Okay, and then question answer we'll discuss later. Till then, take care students, stay home, stay safe.